Hi there, my name's Greg. In this video, we'll walk you through how to easily remove the case on your Baratza Forte grinder. In the event that you need to do some internal troubleshooting on your unit, this video has you covered. To start things off, you'll need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and your Baratza calibration tool, or a 2mm hex wrench will also work. For older grinders, wire cutters or pliers will help with removing the feet. Be sure to also have a soft work surface or a towel to help prevent scratching on your case. Please note, if you are experiencing a grinding issue, we recommend contacting Baratza support first for case-on troubleshooting assistance. Before we get started, make sure to close your shutoff hopper and grind through any excess coffee. You can now lift off your hopper and remove the ground spin. Now unplug and move the grinder to a clear work surface. Position on a towel so you can see the rear case. Please note, do not remove the upper burr carrier when turning the unit upside down. Also, only the back 2 feet should be removed. Using the calibration tool or 2mm hex wrench, remove the upper housing screw. Please note, newer grinders have a Phillips screw. Now, flip the grinder upside down onto a soft surface. Remove the rear 2 feet to access the 2 Phillips screws underneath. For older grinders, wire cutters or pliers are helpful for grabbing under the edge of the feet. Using your number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove both screws and place somewhere safe. With the screws removed, place the grinder right side up and pull back the rear case while stabilizing the unit from the top. It should slide right off, so you now have access to most of the internal components. To reinstall, gently guide the case back onto the grinder so both sides of the case slide onto the guides. It helps to push down slightly on the front of the grinder so the case slides on smoothly. If you feel it's not fully aligned, don't force it. Pull back on the rear case and start again. With the rear case in place, flip the unit upside down and install the 2 Phillips screws. Then install the feet. Flip the grinder right side up and then install the upper rear hex or Phillips screw. Add your hopper, making sure to rotate it into position, and run a test to make sure the burrs spin. And that's it. You've successfully removed and reinstalled the case on your Baratza Forte. For additional help, reach out to Baratza support. Thanks for watching. Happy grinding. Baratza. We grind, you brew.